Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, where you will see Chinese cars on display. More Chinese cars, subscribe to my channel. The modified Changan UNI-T is the protagonist of this article. The cool and stunning design can't help but make people admire. I am afraid that the word avant-garde is no longer enough to describe its current appearance. There is no doubt that the entire appearance is the focus of its modification. It can be said that the lack of a certain detail will not have the current effect. As for the main theme of the modification, it is obviously to shape the sense of the future. Its front face has made many changes, and the color embellishment is just right. The changes brought about by this are naturally very obvious, not only looking sharper than the original factory, but also more sci-fi. The LED daytime running lights/turn lights are the original factory, but the lampshade is treated with a blackening effect, which looks relatively cool. The decorative parts on the front of the roof are similar in shape to the roof air intakes of performance-modified cars, and an LED projection lamp is installed in the center of it, or it is more appropriate to regard it as a projection lamp fixing frame. There are more changes in the side area of the body, and the resulting look and feel changes are more obvious. The modified side of the body is also the most futuristic aspect of the overall appearance. If you only look at the side of the body, I believe you can hardly tell that it was originally a Changan UNI-T. The most worth mentioning is the wide body of the rear wheel. The semi-closed shape adopted is extremely eye-catching, and it is also one of the sources of the appearance of science fiction and the sense of the future. Compared with the front face and the side of the body, the rear end has relatively few modifications, but the look and feel changes are also obvious, mainly because the details of the modification are too prominent. The 4-out exhaust tail throat is also eye-catching, which can be said to be the finishing touch of the whole set of rear surround design, and the visual impact brought by it is very strong. In addition to the modifications mentioned earlier, the chassis is also modified with a pneumatic shock absorber system, which means that its body can be raised and lowered in a larger range, and the plasticity of the body posture is naturally more secure. This Changan UNI-T is an excellent modification case. It is amazing enough, it is full of science fiction, it seems to be a car from the future.